That was a terrible hair flip. Hold on. Hey.
Hey!
What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be transforming into SZA. So let's get started. I'm not going to be wearing this wig. I just got this headband on because I do not feel like putting the lace, and I don't want you to see my Queen Latifah cornrows under here. So let's get started, bitch. Fuck dating with your friends. You know that. It'd be hard to understand SZA sometimes, right? Fuck dating with your friends. You know that. You know that. You know that. You know that. I have a supermodel brow tutorial out already if you guys want to check that out. I'm just gonna be skimming through this little section right here since I do have a tutorial for you guys, but I am using a new product. I'm using the Benefit Pomade Brow Pomade. No, Benefit Powmade Brow Pomade in 3.7 warm medium brown. Got to get with your friends. You know that. I've been beasting to do this look ever since I bought the wig that I'm gonna be putting on at the end of this video. So in the picture, her eyebrows look pretty full. Well, I am kind of trying to transform into a SZA. But I just love the look of thin brows. Let's just do this with average looking to thin brows. Sorry, got that shit in my head. So yes, I've been gone for a little while. It's been 4 weeks. I uploaded today. I'm still uploading Sundays. The video that I uploaded today, I already had it edited and ready to go. I really want to be strict when it comes to the days that I upload. I definitely want to start uploading every Sunday so that you guys would know, oh, it's Sunday, I gotta watch Delilah's video. I'm trying my best to be a full-time YouTuber. I'm trying my best to be a freelance makeup artist. I'm trying my best to be a full-time boss. Like, I am a boss. I am a boss. I do not work an hourly job. I do, but you know, my affirmations, my manifestation. I work an hourly job, but we're trying to get out of that. You know, I can't be like these influencers that's living their life, that's running their errands, and all they do is live their life for a living. You know what I mean? I don't want to keep showing y'all the same shit that I'm doing as in my hourly job, because I'm there 3 to 4 days out the week, or I do this, or I work, and it's like I work as in I film videos, I freelance, but it's just that it's a lot to record when you're freelancing, especially when you travel. So I'm trying another new product. This is the Patrick Star One Size Concealer. Hopefully this is an okay shade, because we didn't have the shades in store yet when we picked out our color. We just had to guess. That's why I've been gone. I just wasn't happy with the content that I was putting out there. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just put up something that I actually do like, and I'm gonna wait of the day of. I'm not gonna be thirsty and be like, let me upload this video now, even if it's not on my scheduled day, because I have to put something up. Like, no, I'm gonna be really strict. Even if it fucks me over, like, I still want to be strict with the days that I schedule so that y'all could know she's uploading every Sunday. So I uploaded a different type of video today. If you guys could go check it out and let me know how you like it. It's a little different. I'm basically doing my makeup, but I'm not explaining the techniques or products that I'm using. It's more of like a motivational pep talk type of video for anyone that's struggling, that feels lost in life and just doesn't know what to do in their life. Like, when you just have no idea like what passion to get into, what career to get into, thinking a lot more positive and just really getting to know who you are and just the people that you surround yourself around. So just let me know what you guys think about that video. It's just a little something different that I wanted to, you know, try. I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Louise base in number 5. I got eye boogers, y'all ain't tell me nothing. Disgusting. Now next up, we're moving on to the Hindash Beautopsy palette with my Sonia. I'm so mad I can't find another one of these brushes for my kit, and I freaking love it. Is the Sonia Kashuk. Where did the lettering go? It's a round crease brush. I think that's the name. I'm gonna use Love Kills and Feel Real as my transition shade. So I'm just gonna put like this warm brown as my transition shade, and we're gonna bring it out as well. So I want something a little warmer because it's looking a little red to me. So I want to use an eyeshadow that's more of a yellowish undertone to put on top of it. I'm going with my 420 Mel Cosmetics palette, and I'm going with this shade right here, Full Metal. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this right on top of the red. We're gonna go in with Intra right here, and we're just gonna focus that on the outer corners. This is a Morphe R39 brush. I'm gonna use my Master Mattes by Mario. I like this black, it's really dark. Now I'm just cleaning up the sides with some concealer. Okay, so her crease is pretty goddamn high. No, I'm gonna have to get my other brush for this because I don't think I could just do it with this. Y'all ain't about to see me embarrass myself. Ain't no way y'all making fun of me. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. So I'm gonna use my Glisten Cosmetics brush in number 5. So I like to draw the outline first and then fill it in. Whew, them stairs. I can't draw like a really precise outline. Oh, I can't breathe with that type of brush. So I feel like her eye shape, it does something like that. Well, like the way they cut the crease, because they cut it pretty freaking high, but they made it look very narrow in the inner corners. Okay, so we're gonna do it like this. With the Master Metals by Mario palette, we're gonna use Rose Gold. This color right here is perfect. The first brush I'm gonna use is a very detailed brush so I can get right here in the corners. I'm gonna see how it looks with none of the Mario. You know, Mario has that liquid to really intensify the look, and then if it's just not giving me enough, and it's not, I'm gonna go in with the liquid. Sorry for saying the liquid. I don't know the name of it. Master Metal Manipulator. That's what it's called though. I'm gonna put a couple of drops into the tray in the palette. I'm gonna dip my brush into it because I don't feel like doing that whole scraping thing right now. And I'm just gonna go straight in. Let's see what will happen if I was to put a little bit of a matte pink on top of this. Oh, it's working like a charm, baby. It's working like a motherfucking charm. So I'm gonna move away from the eyes so I can move on to the face, and then I'm gonna go back to the eyes at the end like I always do. Obviously, her face is glowy as f, so we're gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is gonna give a beautiful luminous glow all over the skin. One thing though, I love this product, but the smell, bro. I don't know what this is. It smells bad. I don't know if it just expires fast or what, but oh, that shit don't smell good. Like it's like when you first get it, it's like a faint smell of whatever it is. And then like just a few months pass and you're like, what the f? It goes away as soon as you blend it out, which is so weird. Now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. This is a more natural finish of all of her foundations. Is more of a skin-like finish. I like this actually though. I like this foundation. It has no fragrance. It's nice. I like it. And I'm gonna bring it down a little bit lower because it is a little darker. This is my Sephora 47 brush. I love this brush. Here around my scar, I'm very careful, even though it's gonna be 3 months on September 2nd that I got my surgery done, but I just still like to be pretty careful because like I said, it's only been 2 months. So I'm gonna try the one size concealer for under my eyes. So now, just blend everything out. All right, I'm not gonna blend out the eyes yet. I'm gonna do a contour first. I'm gonna use my Milk Flex foundation with the same foundation brush. Pretty messily, don't matter. I'm gonna clean it up with concealer, clean it up with some powder. Conceal these eyes. Let's see what this concealer is actually working with, because I only used it for my brows. So let's see how it looks under the eyes, and let's see how good, ow, and let's see how good it covers mascara. See, I can't be too rough, still gotta be gentle. This is a really nice concealer. I think I'm definitely gonna get a lighter shade to highlight with, because I really like the way this looks. I really love the way it looks under my eyes, and it's not even set. I wish I could just press down harder on this side, like to really it's like melt that bitch into my skin. I'm gonna go a little bit lighter. This is with my Estee Lauder. I'm gonna use my Mercier translucent powder in Honey. I'm gonna try this technique that I saw on Instagram. So the girl, she set her under eyes with a brush first, and she used this brush exactly, the Real Technique setting brush, and she used this brush first to set. Now I'm gonna take some of that powder with the sponge, and I'm going to press that powder into my face. And supposedly she said that you don't crease when you do this. And I'm just gonna big around this area, because like I said, her nose contour, she is contoured to the gods. To set like this area right here, just right here. Don't set the contour yet, because I completely forgot to put on blush, and I want to try this new blush that I got. It's from Rose Inc. Okay, so she doesn't have a crazy ass blush, so we're not gonna use the dark one. We're gonna use Ophelia. This is from Rose Inc. Look how beautiful this shit is. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, they feel so good and creamy. Oh, yo. I think I'm gonna use this one. This is Wild Rose from Milano. Oh, it's not even open yet. You know what? No, forget it. I'm gonna use my Coral Cove Milano blush in number 5. I'm just gonna have this, because she doesn't really have like a deep blush. It's very natural. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't want to put too much blush on, but I'm gonna put enough so that you guys can see. Now we're gonna contour, well, bronze up, and I'm using my Morphe Glamour Bronze Trailblazer bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with Intra, Feel, and Kills, just to give me like a little bit more definition. Bam! See that? I feel like I should show you guys the nose contour process, because in this picture her nose contour is very, very defined. So I'm just using the Hindash palette again, and I'm using only Feels. You do this little line right here just to get, you see, and then I'm also gonna contour the nostrils, because her nose, my nose is more like down, but then hers go up. Do this little part right here to get that cute like little bulbous round. I'm gonna leave it like this, because so like in person this doesn't look good in person. It doesn't. I'm gonna be real honest. It doesn't look, it looks very, like, it looks nice, but it's very unnatural. Like, you can totally tell that you have nose contour. But in pictures and cameras, like, it looks really, really, really nice. We're gonna go back in with that Melt Cosmetics palette, and I'm just gonna run that same Full Metal color on my lower lash line because the color she has right here is warm. It's like a warm brown, and it's only right here in the outer corners. And she has black liner in the waterline. I'm just gonna grab any black liner that I see. I have the Fenty Beauty Fly Pencil, and because I'm black. Okay, and I feel like she has liner on the top as well. Ooh, Lord. That tickles like a motherfucker. So I'm just gonna put on some lashes. If you guys want to see how I do that, just go over to my Instagram, beautopsy, and I have a lash tutorial on my IGTV, and I'll come back to show you guys the lip. I put my lashes on. These are from Kiss Lashes, number 11. And then in the outer corners, I put some accent lashes. The Vluxe by Envy Extended Do-It-Yourself Lash Extensions. I put one long lash at the very end and then a medium, and that's it. We're gonna use the Nars Orgasm highlighter. Let me put a little bit of setting spray so that the highlight can stick to it a little bit more. I'm gonna put a little right here. Just gonna put it right here on my nose. She has a lot of highlight around here, a lot of highlight here. I'm gonna set my face again. And then I learned this other hack from Instagram. I know you guys have seen this water bottle. I got these from the beauty supply. This is one of those that has like that mist, that continuous spray. Imagine having, well, we do, but it's like, imagine having our setting spray, the setting spray that we like, just like the Morphe spray. But this one, I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot stronger. Like the way it sprays, it's a lot, and it's very like it forces it out. It's just gonna give you an even layer of setting spray. I'm scared. Woof. 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 I only needed 3 sprays. I'm gonna use this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Cold Brew. I love this lip liner. I just bought it the other day. It's like the color Vibes, but darker. Excuse me. Okay, so this is number 202 from Giorgio Armani. And then I'm gonna do the Fenty on top. Now, there we go. Now it looks pink. Don't look at this. But all right, so we're gonna leave the look like this. And now we're gonna put our wig on. I'm not gonna take off this wig. So, what I'm gonna do is just put this in a bun. I'm gonna take my SZA wig. Oh my God, it's not fitting with the wig. You better fit, bitch. Oh my God. Oh. Why isn't it fitting? Like, it fits, but it's like being stupid. So I'm gonna cut this piece off because this is really distracting. And if you guys are wondering, I got this wig from Amazon and it was only $18. And I've been wearing this like all summer. And I get so many compliments. Everybody thinks this is my real hair. Ooh, look how cute. See, I feel like this piece of hair is in the way. So yes, this is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I will see you guys soon.